This is Ken with KenG Fence, 720-431-0927 in Denver, Colorado. KenGFence.com. Professional fence and gate repair or replacement company. We specialize in all types of fences like this one over here that we just put in. In here, we're going to fix this one, fix this retaining wall. But more importantly right now, we're going to go ahead and show you how we make a rock roll. You like rock and roll? You like rock and roll? Like I do? You don't like Freddie Mercury? I don't like you. Okay. Hey, come over here. We're going to make this rock roll. Come here. Hey, we're going to do it quietly. We're going to set it on top of the wall, and then we're going to just drop it straight down without making a bunch of noise. We don't want it to keep rolling all the way down. Oh, shit. I almost fell off. Holy shit, that's a long drop. Okay, come here. Hey, yo. Hey, Jay. Come here. Come here and help me and Sonny. Sonny's his alias. That's not his real name. We're going to make that rock roll right off of there. Put it on top of that wall first. Roll it. Both of you. Just roll it. Set it on top of the wall first. Stand on top of the wall first. On top of the wall. Easy, easy. Heavier than hell. How much you guys think it weighs? Set it down. Set it down. Sit it down. Right there. Ooh, that's good. That's a rock rolling. Now remember this, young kids. Don't play with rocks. Hey kids. Don't play with rocks.
The rocks is dangerous.
Yeah. Say no to the rocks.
Say no to the rocks, kids. KenG Fence, 720-431-0927. And remember that rock got rolled by Mother Nature. The big water rolled that rock and rounded it out. That's the way it is, round. All right, over and out, KenGFence.com. Later.